In this video, I'm going to give you some free resources to contour maps for bodies of water so you can figure out where you want to throw your next cast. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is actually part of a bigger series all about fishing on a budget. We're actually teaming up with Adam from Adam's Real Adventures to bring you all the tips that we're learning along the way. So why are contour maps important? Well, fish follow patterns. Certain fish like to feed in certain areas, they like certain depths of water. Having an idea what it looks like under the water can either help you find the fish or at least eliminate water so you're not wasting time on useless spots. Keep in mind, the depth charts are not 100% accurate and should only be used as guidelines for where to start looking. With all of that out of the way, here's the list that I use for free contour maps. You can find links to all the apps and web pages in the description box below. The first one on this list is probably my favorite, and it's my go-to when I first start looking at a new lake. This one is called GPS Nautical Charts. This one is a web page and an app. It has a very impressive selection of maps, and the maps can be highly detailed. There's also a tool for measuring distance. So unfortunately, this next one is just for Ontario. But if you have any resources for your local area that you would love to share, we'd really appreciate it if you left it in the comments section below. I'm sure you'd be helping somebody else out. This next one is called Fish Online. It's from the Ministry of Natural Resources and Fisheries Management, so you know the information in there is going to be pretty good. You can get stocking information and find out what species were stocked in what lakes and what year and how many. You can also get information on other people's catches. You can provide your own information on your catches and help out the ministry and help out your local anglers. It has some general water body information such as average depth, and it has links directly to the fishing regulations that affect that lake. Now this one is just a website, but the website does work very well on your mobile phone. Along with the contour maps, this resource will also give you locations to fishing access points, boat launches, and fishing license issuers. Next on the list is called Angler's Atlas. This is available in your browser or as a standalone app. This one requires you to make an account in order to use the service, but everything is completely free. But I must warn you, there is one issue with this app. You can download the contour maps for offline use, but since you need an account in order to access them, you also need the internet in order to access your account. So it doesn't always work. So my recommendation, just take a screenshot of the contour map and then you've got it on your phone for offline use. You're good to go. Apart from its little glitchy problems, it's a decent app. This last one is a bit of a bonus, and it's not really for contour maps. You probably already know about it. Google Maps. With Google Maps, you can actually get a bird's eye view of the lake you're looking at. You can get a satellite view as well. Sometimes you can get an idea of where the shallow and deep areas are of the lake just by the color of water from the satellite imagery. Using these 4 apps, I've found some very productive fishing spots and some new shorelines to fish as well. Again, all the links to the apps and web pages will be in the description box below. And if you have any resources that you would like to offer the community, please leave them in the comments section. We greatly appreciate it. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, hit that like button, slap that subscribe button, and check out more of the videos in this budget fishing series. There's more money saving tips coming your way. Catch you later.